Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable zoom magnification on Honor 200 Lite. To enable this vision accessibility setting, first go to Settings app, then scroll down to bottom and find Accessibility Features. Then go to Accessibility, and in Vision tab here you will be able to find magnification. Then enable it. Let me show you how to use it. To use magnification, tap on screen 3 times. Then it should display orange borders on your display. To zoom in or out, pinch with 2 fingers, and to swipe across the magnification, use 2 fingers to swipe. You can use 1 finger to scroll through pages, but when you pinch to scroll through magnification, use 2 fingers. To disable magnification, go back to Accessibility Settings, Accessibility Features, Accessibility, Magnification, and you can disable it fully, or you can just tap 3 times in a row to disable magnification temporarily. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.